Hi everyone, so today we are going to make a carrot cake. So what we have is, this is going to be my mixing bowl. I have sugar, I have cooking oil, and then because I don't have a mixer, I'll just use cooking stick. I have my 4 eggs, then this one is the carrot which I blended the other time, so I didn't want to waste. That's why I've put it here so that I can use it in making my cake. This is salt, and then I have my all-purpose flour here, and then I have my baking powder, and then this is vanilla essence. That is my wheat flour there. Then I'll sieve. Add sugar, so this is my cake. This is it. My fire is here ready. So this fire, this charcoal, some have it here. Like that. Then others will be under the Jiko. is ready. I'm just waiting it to cool, and then I serve it with fresh juice, freshly baked using Jiko. So soft. So that's it, guys. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and don't forget to share, to like my videos, and even to comment. Bye bye, and thank you.